Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting our today's lesson in the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am your teacher, Mehpa Nasir, teaching computers to grade 3, and I represent Fizai Intro College Manhas. Today, in evolution of computers, we were talking about internet. And in our previous lesson, we said that with the invention of microcomputers in 1970s, internet emerged as a revolution. Internet connects computers all over the world via satellite. Internet enables us to share or to pass over data over a network of computers that are joined together with the help of wires or cables or with the help of a satellite. But the thing is, how do internet shares data, or how do we get information from data? Before that, you must know that internet is a short form of the word internetwork or interconnected network. And why is it that so? Because internet is actually many smaller networks that are interconnected and as a wide area network, which globally is known as the internet. Finding information on the internet. Now, different search engines help us find information on the internet. These search engines, you might be using Google or Yahoo or Ask.com, MSN, Bing. There are many different search engines that will help you find information on the internet. Now we're going to see how you can find information on your topic, whatever you want to find out about. Now let's talk about Google, the most used, the most common search engine all over the world. On a Google, to find information about the any topic, you have to type a word or a series of words in the search bar. This right here is called the search bar. You just type a word or a series of words, like we want to know about internet for kids, right? We typed internet for kids in the search bar and click on the search button. This right here is the search button, Google search. Just click on it and you will get a series of or a list of different websites that will be showing information about what you have asked for. The search engine looks for information on the internet, and it has now displayed a list of websites related to the query. The query means the request that you have asked. Like we asked for internet for kids, so it has now given us internet facts for kids, Kidal encyclopedia, internet for kids, better internet for kids, topics the internet kids have. Matlab, means these are the different sites that Google has searched for you for the topic internet for kids. In this way, you can search for any topic, any problem. If you want to solve, you can search information on the internet in the same way. Examples of search engine. Google is not the only search engine. We have along with Google, you can search on Yahoo also. You can search on Mozilla Firefox and MSN. These are the examples, some few examples of famous search engines that we usually use today. Remember, do not never share personal information on the internet. Personal information means your real name, your identity card number, your address, your phone number, your personal pictures. You must not share. All this is your personal information, and you must not share your personal information on your internet. So guys, in chapter 2, evolution of computers, we talked about internet, we talked about search engines, and then we had some examples of search engines. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Allah Hafiz.